James!
Oh, hello, Gary. Achoo!
You look so freezing, bro.
Yeah, I know. Come here.
Okay. By the way, why are you calling me? Have any problem?
Yeah, you remember what day tomorrow?
What? Monday?
No, tomorrow is Miss Melati class.
So, why?
So you forgot about Miss Melati homework.
What? Homework? Really?
Yeah, the homework was given by Miss Melati last week. You forgot about that?
Ah, I see. I done with that. I do yesterday.
What? Really? Can I borrow yours, please?
But why not doing that homework tonight? We still have time.
I can. After this, my family will go to grandmother's house, so I can do that thing tonight. So, can I, please?
Fine. Just don't forget to bring back again tomorrow.
Thank you, Gary. You are really my best friend ever.